What's up, online shoppers? I just got a brand new portable neck fan. It's rechargeable and we're heading into the warmer summer months and I can't wait to try this out. Now let's unbox it and see if it meets my expectations. Ooh, look at that. So we get a charge cord with it. Get a little instruction manual with it. Now let's see what this can do. I'm so excited. You know, we watch a lot of soccer games outside and that can get really hot and sweaty. Look at how cool this is. I think this is the solution to staying cool in the summertime. It is nice and flexible here. You can see it moves pretty well and it's gonna go around my neck. Let's zoom in on the features and see what it's got, and then I'll show you what it looks like on my neck. This comes in 8 different colors. So if black isn't your color, you can find colors. They have pink, red, blue, green, lots of different options for you. Now this has fans in 2 different places. There are fans right here and right here. And if I flip it over and you take a look, there's also fans all the way around the outside. So you can either set it so that it directs down towards your shoulders or up towards the top of your head, depending on which part of you is more sweaty. And right in here, those are the air intakes. So that's where the air is sucked into the fan and then it's pushed through here and it comes out here, and it also comes out in the vents along the one side of the fan. Now you can see right here, this is the charge port and that would be where you'd plug it in. But let's talk about the features because this is super cool. So it has 72 separate wind outlets. That means if you counted up all the air holes here and all the vents here and then all the vents here, that's 72 different places that wind is going to get pushed out of these. It says that there are 60 twin turbine fan blades in here, which I honestly just want to crack it open and see what it looks like, but I'm not going to do that. And there are 3 different fan speeds to meet whatever your heat needs are. So if you're a little bit hot, you can put it on low. If you're a lot hot, you can put it on high. The other thing is it's supposed to be really quiet, so I'll see when we turn it on, and the power button, by the way, is right there. We'll see how quiet it is. It says that it's going to work at less than 20 decibels. So I'll hold this right up to the microphone for my camera and you can get an idea of how loud it's going to be as well. They say that charge-wise, it has 24 hours of running time, which means you're going to get somewhere between 3 and 24 working hours. Now, if you have this running on the lowest setting, you can expect to have 24 hours of running time for it. But if you have it on the highest setting, that's going to take the most energy and you can expect that it's going to take probably only about 3 to 4 hours to run down the battery life. Okay, let's turn this on. Okay, I'm gonna bring this right up to the side of the microphone on my camera so you can hear how loud it is. Now, in order to adjust the speed, that's power number 2. And there's power number 3. You can see all those little individual wind turbines in there. This here is an up-close view of your air inlet. And here is the bigger fan that directs one on each side of your cheeks to keep you fully cooled off. So that is the fan in operation. Now let's put it on and see how it actually feels. Whew. So I've got it installed around my neck, and I know I'm wearing a collared shirt, but I can definitely feel airflow. That's pretty cool. What I like about it is that the power adjustment is right here. So I actually just put my hands up naturally and I can feel it, and now I've shut it off. So you've got low power, just a small light fan, medium power, and high power. Now, of course, like I said, you've got the air coming out of here and you've also got the air coming out of here. There is the battery indicator light right there. It's either green for fully charged battery or it's gonna flash red when it's time for you to plug it in and charge it. This is a really great option for hot weather. You've got the option of the fan in 3 speeds. You can put it around your neck. You can put it across one of your legs if you want to, and you can flip it this way to cool the top part of your head, and you can flip it this way to cool your neck, back, and shoulders. I think this is really awesome. I'm not having any trouble speaking over the noise that the fan creates, so that gives you a pretty good idea of the volume or the level of noise that it emits when it's in full operation. It's on the highest setting right now. Anywhere between 3 and 24 hours of use, depending on how hard you have the fan working, and your charge port right there. I'm super impressed with the quality of this out of the box. The plastic, the casing is all really nice. It's slippery smooth, feels nice and comfortable on my neck. I think this is going to be a family favorite favorite at my house. What's up everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.